everyone, it's Robin and I'm here with Guru and I'm back to work. Woohoo! I'm going to do some lavender flowers and here's my palette. I have purple, fuchsia, brown, green, white, and I am going to work in that color right here. I've mixed white and purple together into a nice lavender color. And I am just, first I'm going to take the dark brown and mix with some dark purple in it. And then I'm going to put just really quickly. I hope this comes out because I'm in real close. But I'm trying to test the camera and see the lights in different ways. So there's my source of where I'm going with this. Then with my brush and lavender paint, I'm going to put in like a 3-pronged flower, all found in my beginner playlist. And then push in white and purple kind of together like that, just so that it goes purple across the nail. There, see how that one's white, how stark it is against? I'm going to push that and dull it down. And then just kind of put petals in. Now, with a little bit of white, I'm going to just brush on and push onto the tips of this flower, the white, and then with a darker purple, go in and just kind of go into a circle and circulate around the area. And I'm at a strange angle, but I like this angle better than the angle that I was working in, so that's cool. Okay, now with the greens, I'm going to go in and push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. Okay, now I need to back out because there was a method I was trying to see, because we did all but one, and then there is what it's going to look like when it's done. But when I top coat it, it's kind of going to mute everything out and they're going to look really, really like ethereal. So I'll meet you back with the end result. Okay, now this is a short tutorial, but I think one worth learning because look at how pretty these are. This is with a matte top coat, Dazzle Dry Matty. Boom. Love you, Dazzle Dry. Anyways, so I hope you try them. If you do, copy me. Please say inspired by Robin Moses and hashtag me so I can see them. You can do that on Instagram. If you guys don't know Instagram, if you hashtag Team Robin Moses Wizards, any of that stuff, if you hashtag me, then I immediately see them, and that's how you share your work with me. And also, you will be shouting me out and helping others find me if they're struggling with nail art. So anyways, I will have pictures up of this on Instagram, on my blog, and please send anybody who wants to learn how to paint nails over to my channel and subscribe and join in the fun, and I will see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye. Bye. It's good to be back.